Hi guys! Hello. Welcome back to my channel. In case you didn't know, my name's Clarissa and this is my beauty vlog called Mascara and Muscles. I know, so cute, right? So I've already been at work once today and so most of my face is already done. I'm not even going to touch up my brows. I'm honestly just going to wipe off this lipstick I have on. I really want to use my Tarteist Pro palette. Oh my god, I love this. It is amazing. It comes with all these beautiful I'm so bad at this, guys. All these beautiful colors. Do you see that? Is this a subliminal monster advertisement? I'm just kidding. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this top left color here. It's a bone color and this is called Classic. I'm going to go in with this fat fluffy brush. It's a little dirty from yesterday, but I pretty much use the same color, so I'm not going to go in and wash it. Right now, it's by Sonia Kashuk. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I did get this from Target. So I'm just going to buff that primer in. Okay, so next I'm going to go in. I think I'm gravitating towards this this row right here. Yeah, let's go with this row. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is called Bold, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Ooh, fallout. So I'm just going to go above my crease to blend this in. And this fluffy brush, I believe, is from Ulta. It might be by It Cosmetics. I've had this one for a really long time, so the name is like rubbed off if there was a name. I'm not sure. It's honestly just a big fluffy blending brush. Alright guys, now I'm going to go back in with this. This is called, right here, right, where is it, camera? Right here, Eddie. Right here, Eddie. And I'm just going to dip in a little, tap off the excess fallout. And I'm going to take this and put it in my crease. And just kind of blend it underneath that transition shade. I'm going to buff it in the corner a little bit. And bring it out. I'm kind of going like swirl, swirl, swoop, swirl, swirl, swoop. Kind of like a Nike check. You want to keep this clean, neat, flawless. Me, I'm extra. I don't mind going to work with colorful eyeshadow, but I'm also a big makeup lover and I'm a fan of bold looks. So I'm going to go in with this tapered brush. It's kind of stained. I try to clean it off so it didn't look as dirty, but I use it so much. This is by Jabanesque. This is a tapered brush or cut crease brush with this very beautiful right here. This is called Trendy. Tap my brush in there. Do a little swirl. I'm going to get my inner corner. Sweep it out. Such a pretty color. so pretty. I'm literally layering and packing it on because I want pigment. I want you to see how beautiful sea green, shimmery this color is. Okay, I was going to start and go all over the lid, but as I was going, I realized I like doing the first half, and I think what I'm going to do is to make that color stand out, I'm going to go in with the black shade right here. God, I suck at this. The black over, right here, right here. This black shade, this is called Punk, and I'm going to get this, let me see, this is like a packing brush. I'm going to get this, it's more flat, also by Sonia Kashuk. These are from Target, and I'm just going to dip into the black and just kind of pack it on in the corner. I did this color first because I didn't want to like pack over the black. I wanted to kind of pack the black over that to make it like blend together. Kind of like a natural fade. Blend out so it's not with the, this is the brush, the fluffy brush I used to do the transition color and the crease. So I'm just blending up top with the where the black meets the transition color, and that way it's all just seamlessly falling together. And see how like the greenish, the color trendy is just naturally blending in with the black. So that's why I did that color first instead of the black first, because too much black can be messy, and I'm just packing over. When versus just going in with the color and like going over and packing more. Guys, I love it. What do y'all think of this look so far? Let me know in the comments. Are you like, Rain, you're feeling this look way too much? This is amazing. I love it. You should have done a different look. Let me know. I can probably, like, the good thing about these Tarte palettes is the rose, like the color schemes, like all kind of like go together. Like you can make a look 1, 2, 3, 4 looks. You can mix and match. Like, oh my god, I love it. These are kind of safe, simple looks I'm doing right now because I don't want to go off with too crazy intense of a look right away, and then you guys be like, Rain, if I wanted to be extra, like, I would have just watched anyone else. But like I said, I want to start off with simple looks, like show you like how to incorporate the colors that comes with each other and how to make looks with palettes that already, and then I'm going to go back in with that transition shade brush, the same brush. I'm not getting more shade in. I'm just blending out because, yo, that was getting so messy. I don't know what was happening. I'm all over the place if you have not noticed. Good multitasker, can you tell? Okay, back to makeup. So now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to use this pencil brush, and it's kind of like pointing at the top. I accidentally tapped in, but I forgot I had to tell you what I was doing. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's also a shimmer color, and this one's called Grwm, and I'm just going to do my inner corners. I'm just tapping over that green. I can't tell if it's getting patchy or if I'm just like seeing different reflex from the light. So don't think it's the eyeshadow. It is literally me. I have dark lighting. The sun's already going down. It's almost 6 o'clock. So that's what's going on here. That's that whole situation. Okay. Next for my waterline, I'm going to go in with this. It's called Silk Me eyeliner in True Teal by L'Oreal drugstore, I know. And just to bring out this teal color even more. Oh my god, I'm living for this. I wore it for Halloween. Last year I was an Indian. One of my costumes, I know I'm so basic, right? But I remember I drew like this whole like rectangle across my nose, yeah, across my nose and my face, and it was so good it literally stained my face. I had to wash my face like 6,000 times, and that was after already using like makeup remover and everything. Not saying that's gonna happen to you. I'm just saying if you use it in your waterline. I'm just saying if you use it on your actual face, be careful. Ooh, this color, I'm living for it. Okay, I'm going with some mascara. This is the Falsies Push Up Angel on my bottom lashes. I just like this one for the bottom lashes because the comb is so skinny, like has little piranha teeth, that it helps just grab the individual hairs. So this part I had to speed up a little bit because it was a little chatty Cathy, but I pretty much am just going in with the Stila liquid eyeliner, and it's better than Kat Von D's. Leave it at that. Oh, this is what stinks when you already have your makeup on, because now you have to go back in, get a beauty blender, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use this Maybelline concealer, and I'm just using the sponge at the top and blending that in. And no one will ever know that my eyeliner was not exactly what it was supposed to be. Guys, oh no, do you see this? This is a joke. This is a game, I can't tell. Ugh, of course, when I brag about the freaking concealer, the freaking eyeliner, it would do this to me. It's okay. I just wiped it up with my pinky and this pencil brush. That wasn't cool, makeup gods. That was not cool. Whew, glad we got that cleared up. So this is a finished eye. Oh, this is what stinks when you already have your makeup on, because now you have to go back in, get a beauty blender, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use this Maybelline concealer, and I'm just using the sponge at the top and blending that in. And no one will ever know that my eyeliner was not exactly what it was supposed to be. Guys, oh no, do you see this? This is a joke. This is a game, I can't tell. Ugh, of course, when I brag about the freaking concealer, the freaking eyeliner, it would do this to me. It's okay. I just wiped it up with my pinky and this pencil brush. That wasn't cool, makeup gods. That was not cool. Whew, glad we got that cleared up. So this is a finished eye. Ugh, this eyeliner is not doing it for me. I'm gonna have to go in some more. Guys, see, I literally suck at this. Why do I do this to myself? Okay, let's try this last wing one more time. Okay. Better. Much better. Okay. I gotta go to work now, guys. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Put whatever color lip you want on. I'll do an outro if I can. If not, I'll see you later.